Hi, I'm Laura from Organised Well, based in Nottingham in the UK, and I'm a professional organiser and declutterer. Do you have hundreds of photos, perhaps in boxes, albums, and scattered around your home, and maybe they're in picture frames and just totally disorganised? Perhaps you have thousands of digital photos on digital cameras, perhaps old phones, and your computer, and maybe memory devices too. When they're not together, when they're disorganised, it makes it so difficult for you to enjoy your memories, for you to share those, your history and your stories with others, and for you to access them. If you can imagine, what would it be like to be able to pull out the photos that you want to look at, to be able to share your stories and look at your family history, to be able to create photo books and gifts for others? That would be fantastic. And if you are finding it difficult to do the work yourself, to bring all those photos together, to organise them and to put them into a system that's really going to work for you, then my new photo services are perfect for you. You may not have the technical know-how to be able to pull all the photos from the devices, perhaps to be able to copy and back up the physical photos, the old photos that you may have, and perhaps other documents too. So please give me a call if you'd like to talk about your photo collection and how I can help you to create a more organised, accessible and backed up photo collection. Then I'm here for you. Give me a call or have a look at the details and message me. And I look forward to speaking to you.